Let's make kho sả.
This Vietnamese braised lemongrass chicken is probably the one dish that gets me excited to sit down for dinner with the fam when I was small. The fragrant aroma of this dish makes me hungry for a taste, while mom makes quick work of it. Whole free-range chicken with head and all is what I would normally use. Today, I just happen to have some drumsticks left over for this.
So we are going to marinate this chicken with half of our minced lemongrass, garlic, shallots, and chili mix. Couple tablespoons of sugar. Couple tablespoons of chicken granulate. About 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. And about a couple teaspoons of turmeric powder. And a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then we'll let this marinate for at least a couple hours. A little bit of oil in the pan. We got our other half. Put those in. Throw in our lemongrass ends here. In goes our marinated chicken. Make sure these are all evenly seared here. Once we got it evenly seared like these, we are going to steam it.
All right, so there's actually a couple versions you can do this. One is a dry version, and another one is like a more brothy version. The only difference is how much water you pour in to steam this. If you pour a little bit water just to steam it with the lid on, and then later on stir fry it, you're gonna have like a drier version. But if you choose to add a little bit extra of water or coconut water, this is gonna be more brothy. And for me, I like the saucy version because I can use that for the rice too. So, and of course, if you're using coconut water, the broth is gonna be a little bit sweeter. That's more of a Minh Dong or Minh Nam, which is southern, which they like a little bit sweeter. So kind of depend on your taste preference. So after steaming this for another 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, we are going to take off the lid, just taste it and adjust to your taste, okay? And let it simmer for another, say 5-6 minutes, just so the sauce can reduce down a little bit.